Closet Doctor, and this is my own personal garage, and I'm spending some time today cleaning up and putting some stuff away. It's been a wild last couple of months, and it's gotten a little bit out of hand. Probably never happens with you guys. Your garages are always looking perfect. I'm putting some stuff away, and I want to show you a little bit about our cabinets, and also one of the storage issues I have and how I'm going to resolve it. So I've got a few things. I've got step ladder, I've got a folding table, and I've got these work tables I can pull out. These fold out. This is my all-time favorite one here. Folds out. You can set stuff on and do your work underway. The issue with these is, you can see, is they are deeper. When you put them in this way, they would be deeper on the cabinet, so they wouldn't fit in one of our standard cabinets. Same thing with this guy. He's also deeper than our standard cabinet. We're about 30 inches wide. Cabinet's about 24 inches deep, so they don't fit in it. One solution would be is if we took our regular cabinet that we do, our regular 4-foot wide cabinet, and we could take these shelves out of here and stand those up. The problem with that, not a very good use of space, and it's a little funky. Anytime you need what's on the back, you have to unload the whole cabinet to get it out. So I wouldn't recommend that. You can do that, but is what I'm going to do here in mine is I've got this cabinet. This is a unique cabinet that we do, and this is called our corner cabinet. So this cabinet it's a blind cabinet. It's a 4-foot wide cabinet, but it has a single door. We've got that door hinging in the middle, so when it opens, you've got good access to it. And the way we set this up normally is the top shelf is a full-length one that goes all the way across. I've got a closet rod in here in case I wanted to hang any additional coats or anything like that in there. And then we have these shorter shelves that are side to side. Now that is what that allows us, is that we've got vertical storage there, and I can put my ladder and some other things in it, the tall things like that. But is what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a modification. I'm going to pull these shelves out, and that will allow me to store all of these deeper things in it and be able to get them in and out a little bit easier than if I was to put them in a cabinet like that. Let me show you what I'll make the changes, come back and show you what we did. Okay, we're back. That was really quick. What I did is I had 3 of these adjustable shelves. I've taken these out. If you can, is what I recommend. If you're taking shelves out that you're not going to use them, I recommend that you store them on the bottom of the cabinet. I have some plumbing and stuff on the inside of mine, so I'm not going to be able to do that. But let me show you what we did. So by taking those shelves out over here, this freed up this space, so I'm able to slide in. I've actually got another couple of folding tables that we'll put in there for parties and things like that. Those are back there in the corner. I've got room for my chop saw tables that I can pull out, and then I've got my ladder. My ladder is the stuff that I'm going to use the most, more than likely, and so it's there. My motorcycle ramp and my chop saw leg extensions over there. And so everything fits in there even though it's deep, and then it's not all just piled on the back of the cabinet. We've got both sides that we can lean things up against and organize it. So corner cabinet works really good for this type of situation. Door closes nice and tight. Don't even know it. Now when you pull into the garage, you don't see all that stuff, but it's there when you need it.